Hey everyone, I'm here to invite you for a free full course on AWS Cloud Beginners. My name is Atul from team K21 Academy. So before I tell you about this, how do you can register free for a full AWS Cloud training for beginners, let me give you some context of why we are doing and what we are doing. So AWS, or you probably, if you're familiar, if you work in IT, you probably by now know and understand that cloud is one of the fastest growing skill that you must be knowing, and AWS is leader in that. It's a $130 billion industry currently as of we speak in 2021, and AWS is number one leader, followed by Microsoft Azure, Google, Oracle, Alibaba, and so on. So we run a program called AWS Solution Architect, and what we see was or repetitively one of the most in demand certification, AWS Solution Architect. And when we were doing that, one of the common theme we were getting is that people without any background were coming, and we were helping them and was doing good. But a lot of requests was coming for doing a fundamental program which is called AWS Practitioner, which is targeted for complete beginners. So this time we decided to do something different, which is have a complete full free course available over the next 6 to 8 weeks. I think 8 weeks. There are total 8 sessions. We initially anticipated started with 8 sessions, and now we've added 9th after doing yesterday's very hugely popular session that we had, where we had 300 plus attendees, or more than 300 plus attendees in our YouTube channel. So what we're going to do is every Thursday from, I think I'm based in London, so my time is 3:30 to 5:30 British summer time, which is I think 2:30 to 4:30 GMT, or 8 to 10 p.m. India time, and US morning. Every Thursday, 2 hours, we are going to have this session free class. If you're interested, I'll leave, wherever you're watching this, leave a message interested, and my team will share the link, or let me see if I remember the link on top of my head. I'll put it in through this, or I'll tell you. If not, leave a message as interested, so we can give you or my team will share that link for you. So what we're going to cover is, by the way, we had this session this previous Thursday, or yesterday. I'm recording it next day. So, but a recording is available for you so you can watch. So day one, we covered the whole program, what we're going to cover. Plus we covered day one, which is what is cloud basic concepts, scalability, elasticity, etc. Next Thursday we are going to have is about AWS overview, service model, deployment model, and AWS basic services. What are the common services, region, availability zone, etc. And then how do you create an account on AWS, free account, so that you can practice. Third, next after that, we are going to cover the identity and access management, where we look at users, groups, roles, multi-factor authentication, authorization, and so on. One session is going to be on storage and compute, another one on networking and databases, another one on configuration management, another one on well-architected framework, etc. And there'll be one topic about the exam preparation for AWS Practitioner. So if interested, go and register yourself free, which is by going to k21academy.com/AWS live. So k21academy.com/AWS live. This is the URL in which you enter your name and email address, and it will take you to every Thursday we have it, we go live on YouTube. So maybe the link of the YouTube will be getting once you register for that in that free class. Enter your name, email address, and and then on the same page where you do AWS live, scroll down in the middle, you will have the day one session. If you're watching after day 2, you'll be having day 2 and day 3 as well. But from day 4 onwards, it's all you have to join live every Thursday on YouTube channel. So URL k21academy.com/AWS live, and I'll see you on the full free course absolutely for AWS Cloud for beginners. This is Atul from team K21 Academy. Thanks for listening me, and if you have any further questions, anything, let me know in the comment section and I'll be answering them. Also, there are a lot of questions asked on day one, so watch day one replay on our YouTube channel. But again, link or the video is available on the page k21academy.com/AWS live. Bye for now.